While doing my PhD here, I have been lucky enough to be part of the digital method for improved manufacturing of next-generation airframe parts, or DOMMINIO project. This is an European Union-funded program which aims to develop a novel methodology for integrating manufacturing process and maintenance during the life of the part in the whole design process. We want to bring to the design process models and simulations and real-time monitoring in order to get better designs of parts and faster certification. This way, we will achieve the smart manufacturing of multifunctional and intelligent parts that are aware of how damaged they are. As an institute, IMDEA Materials' role in this project has been to develop the sensors and the algorithms to make the parts self-aware of damage. My work has been through the Structural Composites group, led by Professor Carlos González. I have been involved in the development of the methodology for real-time monitoring of the airframe while the plane is in flight. For that, I developed multi-scale simulation methods and integrated deep learning algorithms in the process of correlating the damage suffered by the structure with the signal from these built-in sensors. This type of technology will prove hugely beneficial for the airline industry in the coming years, in terms of reducing cost, streamlining maintenance procedures, and making aircraft more fuel efficient by integrating several functionalities into a single part. The DOMMINIO project involves an international consortium of not only research organizations, such as IMDEA Materials, but also technology centers and industrial partners. There is no doubt in my mind that, as a researcher, working with such a wide variety of partners, it's beneficial. As a researcher, it can be easy to limit the scope of your research, but in the real world, outside from the lab, everything is a compromise between quality, cost, materials, etc. Working in this kind of industrial project forces you to see your research from a different perspective, really focusing on the real-world applications of what you are doing. It is also clear that in the new Industry 4.0, the bonds between research and industry will become closer than ever. For this reason, research institutes such as IMDEA Materials will continue to play a vital role in making our industrial partners more competitive long into the future.